Welcome to ABA Business, your seamless online banking solution. Making international bank transfers with ABA Business has never been easier. Log in to your ABA Business. To make an international transfer, click Transfers screen on the side panel. Click the plus button and choose New International Transfer from option. On the New International Transfer screens, select the account from which you will make a payment. Then choose an existing beneficiary. Or if this is a new beneficiary, click New Beneficiary button and provide beneficiary details. Then choose Transfer Currency and provide amount. Now you can choose who pays the transfer fees by selecting one of the options, such as option where sender pays all fees, and charges option where sender pays ABA service fees only, and other charges will be deducted from the transfer amount, or option where all fees and charges will be deducted from the transfer amount. Also, you can provide purpose of transfer and select the date when you want to pay. Click Next button and review the payment instruction and accept terms and conditions before you submit it for authorization and click Submit. Use ABA Business app to scan the QR code. You have successfully submitted the International Bank Transfer Instruction, and it is now pending authorization within your company. In order to complete the transaction, authorizer needs to sign in. Then go to Authorization page and click the International Bank Transfer Instruction, which is pending authorization. As an authorizer, you can choose to decline or approve the instruction. To finish the process, use the ABA Business app to scan the QR code. ABA Business, smart and simple way to manage your company's finances.